And these are custom fit. Let's see how they go in. Oh, they feel nice. Wow, like a glove. So you got these little tabs right here. I think they go under the plastic, so they kind of hold themselves in. Yep. And another one right here. Wow, those are nice. So these are black with white stitch. They came from China. It took like, God, 3 weeks to get here. But the quality's really nice. All right, I feel like they're not really fitting under the seat right. Like everything else is nice. Maybe my seat has to come up. Okay, that's a problem. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. See what's happening? I don't know why they would make these to go so far into the seat. Oh, you know what? Maybe it doesn't go under the frame of the seat? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. That's gonna be stupid. Maybe it goes in between the frame in the seat. But look at that, doesn't seem right to me. All right, what is going on here? I clearly am not. I'm doing something wrong. It doesn't go like that. I know that. These have to go under here some way, somehow, and there's no room under there. Like everything else fits really, really nice. Almost if they cut this off, I wouldn't be having any issues at all. Okay, so here's the issue. Right now they're pretty good. But you can see when the seat goes backwards and forwards, it's like moving the mat, which I don't like. And this also has easy entry, so when you get in your car, the seat's all the way back, and then when you go to drive, it goes into its position. So I'm gonna have to go on the website and see why that is like that, but I am not sure. Now this one over here, I cannot get this clip in. There's no way to get under that. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do there. There's just no room to. I can't do it. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna have to go online and check it out. But overall, it does look pretty awesome. Oh yeah, this is fitting so nice. Oh, I love it. Like a glove. Like a glove. Got these little tabs. And these tabs, all you do is you just twist them, you turn them, put them in under the plastic, under the trim. That's got a little bubble in it, but that should go away. Then this little tab right here, you see this little thing, you just tuck it. There's two of them. There's one on the other side too, and you can see how nice those look. Oh yeah, I love them. They fit really, really nice. I would say like 99.9%. Probably better than OEM. Alright, now we gotta do the other side. And if you get the basic Tesla 3, Model 3 like I did, they don't come with floor mats. So, I bought them, I ordered them, and they're pretty nice. Alright, here's the passenger. And put my little clips in. Again, that's all it is. Just clips under the trim here. Super easy. Just turn it, quarter turn. But I cannot get these in. These just don't go in. So you can see, it just fits so nice. Right up to the seats, right down the side here. The problem is, I'm afraid when the seat goes forward, see what's happening? I don't understand why the mat goes underneath the seat. Because I can't put it underneath the seat anymore. It just doesn't go. So every time the seat goes forwards and backwards, that thing goes up and down. I don't know. Like I said earlier, it was doing it on the driver's side. I'm going to have to read the instructions. I'm probably doing something wrong. But they are really nice. These are all handmade, hand-stitched. It's not leather. It's more like a pleather, which is better than leather. Okay, so here's the trunk. And I decided to get a mat for the trunk. Also, same material, and let's see how that fits. Oh, it fits so nice. Yep, pretty good. Wow, that fits really nice. So right here, these fold down, so you got to put your seats down, and then you just kind of bend them in here. You kind of see how that is, and then these go up. And there you go. It's gorgeous. My golf clubs will sit on those. I like them. And the back seats, they're really nice floor mats. It's better than going to Walmart, I'll tell you that. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put this one in. Super easy. I'm trying to do it with one hand and holding a camera. Hold on. There we go. See that? It's in there. It's not going anywhere. And you can see how nice it goes. Super easy, and they're so easy to take out too and clean.